Hi everyone, I am Tabassum from Guidance for the Blind, and I ran a 10 days workshop on AI empowerment which turned out to be amazing. And you guys are going to see snippets of that workshop in this video. So you are going to go through each and every day but not fully. So you are going to see snippets of the workshop, and there are more interesting content coming soon in the future. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and follow me on all my socials, including my Instagram and my WhatsApp channel. So let's watch the highlights. And before we watch that, I would just like to tell you, you can always give me your suggestions on my email, that is guidancefortheblind@gmail.com, all small letters and no spaces, or in the comments, or through the DM on my Instagram page. And with that, let's watch the highlights.
Good evening, ma'am.
Alright, so welcome to day one of the 10-day AI empowerment workshop, which we are going to go through. And we are going to go through different AI tools on each day in this workshop. So today is day one, and the tool of the day for today is ChatGPT. So we are going to go with ChatGPT today. Did you convert that into a PPT?
Yes, I did. I created a PowerPoint with all the steps we talked about, each on its own slide, plus a summary at the end. If you want to download it, just let me know.
It is downloaded. Are you sure that the PPT doesn't have any emojis?
Good point. The PPT doesn't include any emojis since I kept it simple and text focused. If you'd like, I can add some fun emoji touches or update it in any way you prefer. Just let me know.
Good evening.
All right, so welcome to day two of the AI empowerment workshop. And the tool of the day for today is Gemini. I'll just play this.
Pause video. Pause video. 0 seconds elapsed. 29 seconds. 4 seconds elapsed. 26 seconds remaining. Play video. Play video.
I'll put this on.
Speech mode on demand.
Like a quiet change of season, you're the root I build my house on. Now I
Right, good evening, everyone. And let us begin with day three of the AI empowerment workshop. And today we are going to have a look at a very interesting AI bot that is called Claude. Certain preferences, which is going to, remember that and answer according to that. So in my case, since I write out articles using WordPress, so what I do is I only
Claude
ask
finished
it.
the response. Ran a command. Created a file. You are out of free messages until 10:30 p.m. Keep working. Upgrade to keep chatting dialog. Close button. Upgrade to keep chat. Ran a command. Created a file.
And that is why I tell you all to only use it when it is necessary, because it runs out pretty
Button
quickly.
collapsed. Ran a command. Message actions grouping clickable button copy.
Oh my god, it didn't give us the document. We'll have to wait for it to reset. And
Yes.
and you can hear my screen reader, right?
Yes.
All right. So let us begin with day 4 of the 10-day AI empowerment workshop. And today is going to be a bit different. So we previously explored some AI tools which help you in performing some tasks, right? So in earlier, like in today's class, it is going to be a little different, and some of you are going to find this new for the sighted people out there, and for the blind folks out there, they are going to find it useful in daily life. So let us begin. And the tool of the day, is called Be My Eyes. So Be My Eyes.
Good evening.
All right, let us begin today's session, and that is on Google AI Studio. So I'll quickly share my screen and begin with the demo. Let's listen to this as well.
Did you hear
Media
that?
player.
Something's moving up ahead.
It's probably just water dripping, or rats. Let's keep going, but stay close.
I can barely see anything. Do you have the lantern?
Yeah, right here. Hold on. There. That's better. Watch your step. This floor feels like it might collapse.
Why do I feel like we're being watched?
Don't say that. Let's just find the exit before we find out.
Play.
Okay, let us begin with today's session that is going to be on ElevenLabs.
The first update that
80%, 10%, 80%.
whenever now we get bold text, italic text, or text of different colors, we are getting announcements of how those text changes occur. So here is an example. So here I am on WhatsApp and there is this group open in front of me which has only admins can send messages. Now the thing that I discovered was that the thing which says admins can send messages is written in a different color than what is than the actual text itself. So what?
Yes.
Okay, so let us begin with today's session, and today's tool of the day would be Notebook LM. So I'll just quickly share my screen and we'll begin with the demo.
Class 7 notebook.
Yeah, there are two circles connected with each other. So on one side, it's a blue circle. The left side is a blue circle, right side is an orange circle, and their connecting part is white in color. So it's raw intelligence, which is written on the left side.
Audio settings button.
Alright, so let us begin with today's session, and today's tool is going to be quite interesting and it's going to help you in creating different kinds of videos, right? So it's a video tool. It's going to help you to create videos, and the tool is Google Vids. So it is. So here is our play button and we'll see.
Monkey versus chimpanzee. A look at intelligence differences. Google Vids document. Application.
The fascinating world of primate intelligence. Today, we're exploring the key differences between monkeys and chimpanzees. Monkeys and chimpanzees are both primates, but they belong to distinct groups. Monkeys are generally smaller and have tails. Yes.
All right, so welcome to day 9 of the AI empowerment workshop, and today we are going to take a bit of a unique approach. In previous days, we used to just explore different AI tools which used to help us do different things, right? But today we are going to look at AI tools which help us in fact checking stuff. So some things, right? So today is day 10 of the AI empowerment workshop, and we are going to begin with
Good
today's
evening.
session. Empowerment workshop, and unlike other days when days 1 through 9 we explored one AI tool per day, right? Today we are not going to do that. Today there's going to be no screen sharing, nothing. Today I'm just going to speak as and you are going to listen, because today it's not going to be me exploring an AI tool, but rather I will explain you the features of 3 applications which you can primarily use as a blind individual on your phone, and which wouldn't be just as an AI tool, right? Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
All right, so welcome to day 11 of the AI empowerment workshop. And today we are in for an interesting day, since I'm not going to be the primary speaker today. And today we have got a guest, Mr. Muzammil Kazi, who's going to speak today on different AI tools. And he's going to teach you all guys quite a few things. Just a small thing to note about him. He is a ethical hacker and he's a totally blind person just like me. And with that, let's hand it over to him. And I hope it's an interactive and an interesting session for all of us.
Hi everyone, Muzammil here. Am I
Rashid
audible?
Husband joined.
Hi, Muzammil. Yes, you are audible.
Thank you so much. Can
Amit
I
Lifo joined.
know a bit about you guys, please? So, like, if all of you can give me a small introduction, like very
Your
basic
internet
thing.
connection is unstable. Get help here if you're.
Hi everyone. If you like my video, so please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, then you can write it in the comments section down below. I will try to answer it soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.